Now just it's recording, so just I guess watch me bring it. Good
Okay.
Lord, man! Look how big that thing is. That is a big needle-nosed gar. Yeah, let me look. Good God! I had to let the drag all the way go. Got him. Good Lord! You see that other one? You see that one right there?
Oh yeah.
That's about how big that is. There's a two. There's a baby one.
Yeah. I could handle that little one.
God, he doubled that rod over. That is a fight there. Oh Lord. Good God, look at that. Come on, Mama. Wow.
You just have to wear
This
him
is gonna
down.
be a while. That one had to wear him down. Look at that. I'm surprised. Wherever he's got that hook, I'm surprised he hasn't snapped the line yet. Golly. The sheer strength of that thing. This is fun. I honestly like. This is what a 13 bass,
Huh?
13-pound bass feels like, though. You gotta get me in the pitch too.
Oh
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
that's not good. I don't know what happened there. I foul hooked him, or he. That is a pretty. I think he's gonna make another run if I try to.
Oh, Curtis, you
It's
okay?
okay. I'm fine.
You sure?
Yeah. You didn't film that, did you?
No.
Could have put that on Bill Dance. I think I foul hooked him. I honestly did.
I think he's hooked right in the corner, back corner of his mouth.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
They're swimming all around. Oh, good Lord. Good God. Oh, my Lord. That burns. Man, he burnt crap on my finger. I'm gonna get over here without busting my blood. There you go. She gonna run. Probably gonna run again. Too bad I do not have my skill. Bet you that's one thing I'm not gonna lip. There she goes. Good Lord. That thing is.
Hadn't give up yet.
No. And as soon as I tighten up that drag, she goes. Like, she's got it all. She is not giving up. Good Lord. Have mercy. That is a fight, man. That's awesome. Look at that pulling drag.
Yeah.
I'm not gaining anything. In fact, I just lost like 15 foot right there. I can't.
Well, he's hooked good if he
I'm
doesn't bite that
surprised
line.
That line? Oh, whoa, okay. Okay, there you go. This fish does not want to come up. Come on, over here.
Whoa, he's way down there now.
Yeah, when she went for a run, she went for a run. Good God. You think that's
Get him
awesome?
over here and yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, don't let him go back.
I don't.
There you go.
Woo!
Hang him up,
Come on, girl. If I do though, it'll snap the line, and I don't want it to snap it. I actually want it. Good God. This is like a 13-pound bug. Man, I haven't had it bend over It just doubled over. She's pretty too, but you can tell she's a needle nose for sure.
There you go. Keep his head up and pull him up.
How big that thing is, man. You wouldn't expect it to be that much of a fuck. Now I see why tarpon is like so hard to catch. Or marlin. There's no way. I'd be dead halfway through the pot. You sure I didn't foul hook her? Or you think it's right in the middle of her
I think
mouth?
it's right in the corner of her
Yes.
mouth. Its mouth.
Lord, girl. Come here. How many times have I had you up?
Okay, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Keep his head up. Keep his head up. Keep his head up. I wouldn't grab him.
Yeah.
Here. Turn your.
Oh, you want me to turn it off? Oh. Beautiful. Got it? Careful, man. It's gonna shake. You gotta let down. Here, Dad, I got it. Here you go. I want to unhook it, man.
Oh, he got it right there in the corner of his mouth.
Don't that beat all? It's still going. Yeah. I've never caught one in the corner of the mouth like that, ever. That was...
All right. Before we let him go, we gotta.
How much you...
I'm gonna see how long he is.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's, you think a meter maybe?
2, 3, over 4 foot
Over 4 foot.
from tail to tip into the snout.
Yeah, I don't want to let it go right now. No, I want to pick her up and let her go back into the...
Here,
Do. Oh,
this.
yeah.
I'll pick it up.
No. Here you
I'll
go.
just turn around and drag him down there.